My new home for Zoho CRM training. If you've been on my training course before, or you're looking to get full training on Zoho CRM, come to my website paulnicholson.com or look at links below and you will jump into this section of my training site. It's free, it's public, it's easy to use. So you're going to come in and see full training. You're going to see the links to introduction. That one needs to be at the bottom. And you'll be able to see its training videos. What you'll see at the top is an advert. On the video there'll be an advert, and at the bottom there'll be an advert. That pays for my site, that pays for me to be able to continue free training. But everywhere on this training, you're going to see places where you can submit a request. Even there, look, if you try to leave the page, did you get everything you needed? If not, contact me or write a forum topic. Submit a request, help, down the bottom here. In fact, if I just clear the history, because I've already clicked on this box. When I clear the history, you're going to get a little board box appear. Don't get stuck. Ask a question. Create a community topic. You know, ask the questions that other people don't ask. Everybody's, from what I've seen, have got the same sort of questions. How do I do this in Zoho? How do I do that in Zoho? What happens when the free trial runs out? You have the questions and you can ask them in a community post, or you can email me direct. You can click OK for now, that'll close that box. But as you try to leave the page, it'll pop up as well. Sometimes it doesn't. I think I already clicked on it. So the Zoho CRM full training is here with all the lessons. I'll keep building things out. I'll keep sharing new lessons. And then there's a community where you can ask your questions publicly. And so if you go to Zoho questions, I've populated a few from people who ask me stuff on YouTube. So here, what date did the price change on Zoho? So I shared the video that somebody asked. This is what they told me, the price changed in October. So I will reply to you. I will create a ticket if I need to follow up further. We'll have a public area where we can talk about Zoho. You can message me privately your Zoho questions, and I'll turn it into training videos and give you better answers. But there's basically two places. It's 100% free to come and sign up. You will, obviously, when you want to log in and write a comment, or you want to log in and ask a question, you will need to add your email address. Now, I've moved this to a public place so that I'm not tracking your email address, but I will have to reply to you. If you send me an email, I'll reply to you. I'm no longer sending out newsletters. I'm no longer sending out update information to a broadcast list of people. My training's in one place. It's easy to get to. You can jump in. You can start the training. You're going to get a pop-up that says, ask a question if you're stuck. And I want you to ask me questions. I'm not going to force some newsletters on you. I've just got public training, plenty of places to ask questions. You know, if you're about to leave saying, oh, this sucks, just tell me, contact me. Here, look, contact Paul. What didn't I get? And just write in, I didn't get this information. Well, I'll send you that information, or I'll find out for you. So it's effectively a full training course, but a place where you can ask when you don't find what you need or what your team needs. You know, you're going to get this pop-up, create it. I'll just click OK, it'll stop popping up. Everything you need in one place. If it's not, you just tell me. Send a help. Fill a form out. Submit a request at the top. Jump in and write a topic. This is a place where you're going to get all your Zoho CRM questions answered. You're going to get all your team's questions answered. We're going to get you flying with it. As I say, there's adverts on certain pages that'll pay for it. There's adverts on my videos. So when you ask me a question, I'll create a video which will have adverts on it, which will help other people. I'm going to get rid of this box that keeps popping up because it is quite annoying. And that will pay me. So you're paying me by asking me a question. I'm helping you out, and then the video that has the adverts will also help pay for me to continue giving free training. So come and visit me, paulnicholson.com. Find the training you need. If you can't find it, ask for it, and I'll either give you a link to where the training is, or I'll create the training for you. So have fun with it. Let me know what you think. We'll get talking. I'll get helping you, and we'll get flying. Cool.